Okay, so I've already started this, but there were 2 geraniums in here. And then there's this little purple, I'm sorry, I don't know what it's called. I probably could save it too. I might, 'cause I like to save my plants. Doesn't hurt. But right now I'm going to repot the geraniums. So I've got 2 pots, this one and this one. Okay. Okay, so now I've got 2 geraniums and I have to decide which pot. I've got this taller pot and then the wider one. To me, I think this wider one fits there perfect, and this one goes here. Now you could do it the other way too. It doesn't really matter. But just play around with what you like. Okay, I'm going to put the dirt in and the fertilizer. These I can overwinter too. And I'm going to try that for this first time this year. I've got to read more on it, but I have a friend that she just puts hers in her house. They're beautiful and they're huge and they're probably 20 years old. A lot of people put them in a cool place, take them out of the dirt. So I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with mine. I do have my sunroom. Put just a little bit more. And then I will water it good, and I'm going to cut some of it back. Now the reason I have the dirt in the buckets is because I get these huge bags of dirt. Well, I can't lift them by myself, so I could keep it in my car. My car gets pretty dirty, but you learn to, do what you can. You figure out ways to get the big bags of dirt. They're cheaper. I go through dirt like crazy, and just do it that way. And then I put them in the bucket, and then as it gets lower, I can take it out of my car, and then I have it in my shop. I don't think I put the fertilizer in. Okay, so now I'm going to work on taking off any dead or cutting it back a little bit. And I will show these once they take off again. This weather's going to be really great for them. I'm going to take my gloves off for this. So I'm going to take that off. Anything that's dead, they'll be beautiful. I'll water them good, and then remember what I said. Do what you love, if only to dream of it, because dreams can become reality.